Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable OTG mode on your Android device. Enabling OTG mode allows you to access files from a pen drive or any external device connected to your smartphone via OTG. So, let's get started. First thing first, open your mobile settings. Because you can enable OTG mode through your mobile settings. Once you are in the settings, scroll down and look for additional settings. If your mobile don't have additional settings option, then click on the search bar and simply search for OTG, and then from the results, you will see OTG option. Click on it. Here, you'll find the OTG or OTG connection settings. By toggling this option on, your smartphone will apply power to the micro USB or Type-C port, allowing you to use your pen drive as an external device. And there you have it. Enabling OTG mode is that simple. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.